So the world of printed media has changed tremendously since the days of ID, for example. What do you see as a future for print media? Because many people say, oh, print is dying.
Well, print is dying, but it's also mutating, and it's changing, and it's growing. As a legacy publisher, of course, we have a very successful website. We have an app of our print product. We do events, we do social, we do third-party branded content, native advertising. We do all of this stuff. But the core of it, under the brand, is the content that we produce for our magazine. And that is never going to die, whatever form it's in. And there will always be a print version of that, because print has an equity the digital world doesn't. We need journalists more now than ever before. Regardless of how big your organization is, I think that trying to be your own boss or as close to the top as possible is really, really important. Having creative freedom and being able to do what you want to do is so important. It really is.